Are you looking for the perfect stay in the heart of Anaheim? We invite you to experience comfort and convenience at Parkside Inn Anaheim. Relax and unwind at our Parkside Inn Anaheim Hotel, conveniently located just a short drive from John Wayne Airport. Book your stay with us and discover the best attractions Anaheim has to offer. Discover Honda Center, located within a 6-minute drive away. Anaheim Founders Park, just a quick 7-minute drive away, offering a perfect blend of scenic beauty and vibrant community charm. Disney California Adventure Park, just an 8-minute drive away where excitement and fun are around every corner. Pirate's Lair on Tom Sawyer Island. Set sail for adventure just 8 minutes away where thrilling escapades and enchanting scenery await. Disneyland Park, just an 8-minute drive away where dreams come true and make magical memories. Disneyland Esplanade. Experience the magic just an 8-minute drive away from the adventure. Catch a game at Angel Stadium of Anaheim, just 10 minutes away from our hotel. Experience the Anaheim Convention Center, a quick 10-minute drive trip from our hotel. Museo Museum and Cultural Center, just an 11-minute drive away where culture comes alive. Paradise Gardens Park. Discover tranquility just a 12-minute drive away from your stay. Pixar Pier. Just a short 13-minute drive away, Pixar Pier awaits you with its magical blend of fun, thrills, and unforgettable experiences. Whether you're here for business or pleasure, Parkside Inn Anaheim offers a prime location, stylish accommodations, and unbeatable rates. Book your stay at Parkside Inn Anaheim today and enjoy easy access to all this and more. Parkside Inn Anaheim. Visit us at parksideinnanaheim.com.